Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify holders distribution with Token Sniffer, beginner guide step. To verify holders distribution using Token Sniffer, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Token Sniffer website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the contract address of the token you wish to analyze. You can find the contract address on popular blockchain explorers or the token's official website. After entering the address, click on the search icon or press enter. Wait for the Token Sniffer to retrieve the data associated with the token. On the results page, you will see various details regarding the token. Look for the section labeled Holders. This section displays the distribution of token holders. You'll see a list showing the top holders by percentage. Analyze the proportion of tokens held by the top addresses. Be cautious if a large percentage is held by a few addresses. This could indicate a potential risk for holders. Scroll down to view the complete list of all holders. You can export this data for further analysis if needed. Check if any holders are known exchanges or liquidity pools. Understanding their distribution is crucial for assessing the token's stability. You can also check the danger level, which indicates potential red flags. If significant portions of tokens are concentrated in a few wallets, exercise caution in your investment decision. Finally, use this information to make informed choices regarding the token. Always conduct further research before investing in any cryptocurrency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.